the 8587 by Liftmaster. Super quiet, big time horsepower, my cue. It's a 16 by 8 custom carriage door that we installed. Super smooth, double windows, insulated glass, 2 inches thick with overlayment. High cycle springs we used, and the 8587 opener gets the nice deluxe wall pad. It's got a light, lock, motion sensor, timer to close, many other options when you hit you cue in here on the menu button. 3/4 horsepower for all your carriage house door needs. Call Innovative Door 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com or visit us in person at the showroom at 650 Ogden in Downers. Just want to show you this door here real quick. Beautiful door. For all your carriage house door needs, call Innovative Door, your one-stop garage door shop. And as always, I encourage you to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.